Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Golden OTT new IPTV app using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp. Open the Downloader app and tap the URL field. Type 25766, then press Go. When the download finishes, tap Install. After installation, open the Golden OTT app. Select TV. Enter the AnyName username and password exactly as provided. Then click Add Playlist. Once logged in, you will reach the app's dashboard. Remember, we are only demonstrating app setup, not showing any channels. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.